Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have their 2004 Land Rover Discovery 2. That's what these are known, Discovery 2. 4.6 liter V8 under the hood. I've never, ever even sat in one of these before, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, that is so cool. You know, I just, last week or the week before, drove the Ineos Grenadier. I think that had a lot of inspiration from this. Obviously, it was Defender based, but I think this had a lot of influence on it. Seating position especially, because this is almost identical seating position to that Grenadier. Storage all here. Oh, this is all. Oh, come on. Now here's the thing, I've never ever seen this before. The labels are on both sides. My thought is for right-hand drive, just making everything uniform, make it easier. That might be what it is. Or it could be so your passenger knows what gear you're in. I don't know. I'm assuming it's probably to be uniform. Oh, I love the seating position. I love this thing. And it's nice to actually be in air conditioning right now. I've been in convertibles all day. You know, I have very little, I want to hear what the horn sounds like. No. I have very little experience in early Land Rovers. I think before this, the oldest one I've driven was like an 08 Range Rover Sport. Nothing very, oh boy. Nothing very off-road focused, and nothing early. And this is not by any stretch of the means early Land Rover. But it's closer than I've ever been. I need to drive a first-gen Defender. I need to find one. I've driven the new Defender and I love it, but the new Defender is more like this than a real early Defender. wind noise. Not too bad though, considering it's an overlanding vehicle. Say this transmission tuning does a better job simulating gear shifts than half these new CVTs out there. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.